Hi friends, I'm Geeta Sethi, a strategic advisor, life coach, certified NLP practitioner and trainer. I welcome you to my channel, Designing Life, Redesigning Minds, Beautifying Lives. So, hi Ajitanshu. Welcome to my channel, Designing Lives, Redesigning Minds, Beautifying Lives. And today I welcome you and I would like you to share with us your experiences, whatever you've been going through, especially during these times or during your studies, what have been your learnings. So we are all very interested in that.
Sure.
To
Glad to
begin
be here.
with, could you start with your journey, whether it's personal or career, whichever you like to share with us?
Sure. So, hey guys, whoever's watching this, my name is Ajitanshu Ramji. I'm 28 years old and I am a graduate in management. I come with a degree in Bachelor's in Management Studies from Mumbai. I worked for about 5 to 6 years. You can say I have a total work experience of around 5 years, which includes social media, it includes community management, building communities from scratch, online communities. It also includes a bit of brand management work as well. Uh, Back in college, I've done a lot of volunteer work because, of course, I had a lot of time to kill. I wanted to give back to the community, and I figured volunteer work is the best place to start on that front. I work with a non-profit called ISEC, which is an international organization, and during that time, I also got the opportunity to spend around 2 months in Egypt, where I actually got to travel there shortly after the Egyptian Revolution, and I worked on a blood donation campaign over there. This was back in 2013 when I was still in college. Post which, once I graduated, I've taken up multiple roles, a bunch of interesting different roles. I won't say that I knew exactly what I wanted to do right after graduating, which is why I figured it's best for me to experiment, try out different things, and spend my 20s experimenting before I finally settle down and think, okay, this is what I want to do for the rest of my life, and I'll probably end up pursuing that. So when it comes to experimentation, I've dabbled in filmmaking. I worked as an assistant director, and post which I've taken up roles in corporate organizations. I have spent time working with Facebook, where I handle media operations for them. I have also previously worked with TikTok, where I was a community manager and I looked after the top content creators on the platform and I helped them build. You can say that I discovered top content creators on the platform on TikTok, and I helped them grow and I helped them become the next bunch of social media influencers on TikTok. So that's what I have been doing for the last 5 to 6 years. I'm currently an MBA student at the Indian Institute of Management Kozhikode. It's a 2-year program, and I will be specializing in marketing. So that's me so far.
Thanks, Jitanshu, for giving us your introduction. Every conversation matters. The one-to-one coaching sessions as per your agenda to achieve your outcomes. Think, feel, and act. Connect with me by sending an email to gita@workofdesign.com and book your time slot now. Please like and subscribe to my channel, Designing Life, Redesigning Minds, Beautifying Lives, and know more about how you can design your life with your own tools. Stay healthy and be blessed always. Thank you.